I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci in Summers Point. When Tropical Storm Isaias came through, we had 12 hours of onshore winds. That meant 12 hours of immense amounts of salt air blowing from the sea onto land, getting into the trees, and turning some of those summer greens on the leaves to autumn browns, or even more, falling off the trees. I'm here at Summers Point with one local resident who shares her experiences.
The winds were coming, but the winds were really hitting the trees, and just from, you can see the damage. Some of the leaves were already turning brown and falling closer to the water. I mean, I came out and I noticed the trees, and first it was like half the tree had turned, but all the leaves quickly turned brown. The edges have all faded out, but it's emptying out. And I came outside, I was actually thinking to myself, wow, the leaves are all falling from the storm, but then I realized it's not even fall yet. So all the trees closer to the water, basically from the salt air, really took the brunt of it, because as you get closer to the water, the trees have less leaves.
I spoke with Rutgers professor Jason Grafowski on this topic. He said something called salt burn, and it's a two-step process. I spoke with Rutgers University professor Jason Grafowski on this topic. He said something called salt burn. What happens is the salt air erodes the waxy substance on the leaves, which helps to keep the moisture in. But it's not just that. The salt air gets into the root system, also drying it out and turning those summer greens into autumn browns, or even falling off the tree. Now, Professor Grafowski says that this only happens with tropical storms that don't have a lot of rain with it. And in South Jersey, we saw just about a half inch of rain at most across many of these shore towns. So we had a lot of salt air, but not a lot of fresh rainwater to wash that salt away. As a result, autumn came a bit early to some shore towns.